Crisis looms in National Assembly over alleged lopsided promotion in favor of the North. Yes, now crisis will be there because it is what it is. In Nigeria today, have what we call nepotism. All the appointments being on ground now is the North. Okay, and you know why insecurity continues and cannot be tamed or managed? I'll tell you what. The current security architecture comprised of 11 people, okay? Talking about the chiefs and the rest. Now, for these people and this set to have a balance, everybody should be able to speak without the veil of religion, ethnicity, section, and their own personal bias. But guess what? This is what is currently on ground. The people who are supposed to be governing in these 11 offices, nine. Remember, we are in a democratic setting, and in democracy, majority carries the vote. Nine out of the 11 are northerners. Nine. So let's put a balance now. If there's to be a suggestion where people will give a vote, will the two ever have a voice? So there would definitely be an offset of balance. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if this is your first time. Let's get all the details. Crisis looms in National Assembly over alleged lopsided promotion in favor of the North. Abuja, strong indications have emerged that serious crisis looms in the National Assembly over alleged illegal and lopsided promotion of staffs of the different terrains of orders, just as the National Assembly Commission, NASC, has been called to as a matter of urgency to address it before it goes out of hand. Some of the staffs of the National Assembly are protesting against the alleged promotion of over 150 staffs without recourse to the public service rule and carried out in favor of the northern part of the country. It will interest you to know that the 150 are all northerners. The angry staffs have, however, posed for protest if not remedied. According to the protesters, some of these promoted across some steps in the service were promoted ahead of their counterparts who were even their senior, even as this has led to the series of protests by alleged staffs who are calling that the action must be reversed by the new commissioner, which came on stream last year. So a new commissioner came in, and guess what? He picked out all the North among them and promoted them even above their counterparts. Let's continue. The protesting staffs are also demanding that the federal character must be followed principles and the characteristics of promotion must be followed by staffs for promotion, adding that the alleged illegal promotion was carried out in August 20 between August 2017 and 2020 by Adamu when he was the chairman of the NASC. An action forwarded favored his section of the country. He did all to favor the North. According to one of the comments, Coker of the National Assembly, Simeon Omolore, has admitted that the action of the commissioner took in addressing the issue of proper placement was against the Public Rules Service. The latter reads in part, in order to remedy the situation and also ensure equality, justice, and fairness, the Commission has, over the past 2 years, looked into cases presented by various staff and approved of adjournment of the appointment by some officers in the National Assembly Service. With efforts from 24th of August 2017 to current date, the National Assembly Service Commission has continued to promote people from a particular region alone in the service. It was, however, guaranteed that NASC, now under Mohammed Amachi, may review some of the promotions and placements that has been carried out without the public service rule being followed. People who have not merited this position has been promoted even ahead of their counterparts who were their seniors. So this is what is going on, and the people have said this has been happening since 2017. We are not going to take it anymore. It's been a long time coming. We are tired, and we are going to, if something is not done, we're sorry, but this is what it is. We're going to get on with strike. Do you blame them? I don't. I don't blame them at all. I don't, because this is what is currently on ground. This is what they are currently doing, and it's not just in the National Assembly. It cuts across. It's not just in the National Assembly, where you see recently the people to be responsible for pricing of crude oil and the rest. Guess what Buhari did? He picked three of his aides that are from the north to be in that position. And guess what? These aides have not worked in the oil industry before. So what kind of negotiations are they going to make for Nigerians? What kind of negotiation are they going to make in the table? How are they going to influence judgment and things to give us a favorable position? You can see that the upset of balance, putting people who are not qualified there, is what has left Nigeria in a position where it is today, where those who have no business being in those positions are the ones taking charge. So how do you explain that somebody is the Minister of Transportation? I mean not to degrade anybody's academic qualification, okay? Minister of Finance. And this person has not even, all he has gone to maybe HND. The Minister of Finance, so all he has is HND, which is not a problem, but does not even have the skill set, has not even trained, has not gotten what we call experience, maybe work in that very, work under somebody, besides book learning, we also learn, but we learn on the job, has not even have what we call the opportunity for learning in this regards, and yet all of a sudden is the one in charge. I mean, how do we really make progress in that kind of situation? This is why Nigeria, is it moving forward? I cannot say. With the current situation of things on ground, I don't think very much. I don't think very much so. So Nigerians, we all need to say the truth. Leave us a comment. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless you. Bye for now.